Students will start with the introduction for exercise 6.3. In this theorem number 6.3, if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides in the same ratio. So, and hence the two triangles are similar. See, if I take two triangles, according to this theorem, if angles of corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal, so suppose say this is ABC and this is PQR. Okay. If corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Wait, please wait. Now, what I told, if corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then the two triangles will be similar. That only, then hence the two triangles are similar. So what does this theorem states? If in two triangles, see in triangle ABC and PQR, if I take the corresponding angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, then the corresponding side, see AB by P, corresponding sides ratio AB by PQ, BC by QR, AC by PR, that ratio will be same. Then therefore, see what is the condition for the two triangles to be similar? First condition is all the angles should be, corresponding angle should be same and the corresponding side should be in the same ratio. So both the conditions are satisfied. That is the reason the two triangles will be in the two triangles will be similar. So please note this down. Next, theorem number 6.4. If in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. Then the triangles are similar. It is exactly converse of theorem number 6.3. See here what does it state? See, if I take a triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if corresponding sides, that AB by PQ, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. If corresponding sides are proportional, if corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then their corresponding angles will be equal. And hence the two triangles will be similar. See what does it? See, angle A will be equal to angle P, angle B will be equal to angle Q, and angle C will be equal to angle R. So therefore what we can say, so since sides are proportional, corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are equal, what we can conclude, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is the similarity symbol. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. One more I want to tell you. Suppose if two angles, in theorem number 3, if three angles of one triangle are proportional to, if three angles of one triangle are equal to the three corresponding angles of other triangle, then their corresponding sides will be proportional and hence the two triangles will be similar. And so even if two angles of ABC, suppose say if I take ABC and PQR, if two angles, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, if two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of other triangle, then also the corresponding sides will be proportional and the two triangles will be similar. So earlier we use that criteria is called angle similarity criteria. Okay. So here in 6.3 is called angle criteria. Now even if two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of other triangle, say angle A is equal to angle P and angle B is equal to angle Q. If at least two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of other triangle, then also the two triangles will be similar. Why? Because see, if two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of other triangle, by angle sum property of a triangle, obviously third angle will be equal. Suppose say if I give this as 40, this as 60, and this as 40 and this as 60. See, 40 plus 60, 100. Obviously it will be equal to 80. This will be also equal to 80. Even if two angles are equal, then also the third angle by default it will be equal. Please note that criteria is called AA similarity criteria. If three angles are equal, then also it is AAA similarity criteria. Please note this down. Now theorem number 6.5, what does it states? If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of other triangle and sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. This criteria is called SAS similarity criteria. What does it mean? See, suppose ABC is one triangle and PQR is other triangle. Now, according to this particular theorem, if angle A is equal to angle P and if angle A is equal to angle P, one angle of this triangle is equal to one angle of that triangle, and AB by PQ, included sides are proportional. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. If these are equal, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR through SAS similarity criteria. See, angle A is equal to angle P and AB and AC are included sides of this particular angle A, and PQ and PR are the included sides of this angle P. So, if this angle is equal to this angle, so angle of one triangle is equal to angle of other triangle and included sides are proportional, then the two triangles are similar through SAS similarity criteria. So, in case of 6.3, that is angle similarity criteria. 6.4 or angle. See, even if two angles are equal, the third angle will be obviously equal, then then also the two triangles will be similar. In case of 6.4, three sides of one of the triangle are proportional to three sides of other triangle, then the three angles of this triangle will be equal to three angles of other triangle, then the two triangles will be similar through SSS criteria, side criteria. Next, in case of 6.5, if one angle of one triangle is equal to one angle of other triangle and included sides of those two angles are proportional, then those two triangles are similar. That criteria is called side criteria. Two sides and one angle and two included sides. Please note this down. We'll start with example 4. See, in figure, PQ is parallel to RS. Prove that triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. Similar to triangle SOR. We need to prove these two triangles are similar. So for that, what is given to us? What is given? Given PQ is parallel to RS. So, if PQ is parallel to RS, then angle PQO will be equal to angle ORS because they are alternate interior angle, because RQ will be the transversal and PQ and RS are the two lines which are parallel. Then obviously PQO is equal to ORS because they are alternate interior angle. Even the same with OPQ is equal to OSR. So that will say in triangle POQ and triangle ROS. So PO angle POQ is equal to angle ROS because vertically opposite angles. These two, POQ is equal to ROS because they are vertically opposite angles. Then next, angle PQO is equal to angle ORS. Why? Because alternate interior angles. So even angle QPO is equal to angle QPO is equal to angle OSR. This is also because of alternate interior angle. You should write alternate interior angles. Now, so you should write, see, don't write like this. So to reduce my time, I wrote this. Now therefore triangle POQ is similar to triangle ROS. Because why? Because of a similarity criteria. Fifth example. Observe figure and then find angle P. See, two triangles are given, triangle ABC and triangle RPQ. Now, in triangle ABC and triangle RPQ, see, AB is proportional to RQ. See, AB by RQ, we'll check, 3.8 divided by 7.6, which is equal to 1 by 2. 3.81 the 3.82 the. Next, BC by PQ. BC by PQ is equal to BC by P, 6 by 12, which is equal to 1 by 2. 6 1 the 6 2 the. Next, AC by PR. AC by PR. What is AC here? 3 root 3 divided by 6 root 3. 3 1 the 3 2 the 1 divided by 2. Now, AB RQ. AB is proportional to RQ. BC is proportional to QP. So, and AC is proportional to PR. So, triangle ABC is similar to triangle RQP. So, RQ you should take in order. RQP. Triangle RQP. Therefore, angle A is equal to, see, angle A is equal to angle R is equal to 80 degree. Because since, why? This is SSS similarity criteria. Similarity criteria. So angle, so corresponding angles will be equal. See, angle A is equal to angle R. Angle A is equal to angle R is equal to 80 degree. Next, angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 60 degree. Now angle C. Angle C is equal to angle P is equal to 180 minus. So these two angles, 180 minus these two angles. See, we know this angle and this angle. See, we know these two angles. To find the third angle, I need to subtract it from the 180 degree, because sum of all three angles in a triangle will be equal to 180 degrees. So if I subtract sum of these two angles, I will get the third angle. Sum of, see, if I subtract sum of two angles from 180, I will get the third angle. That is 180 minus 140. So angle P is equal to 40 degree. Please note this down. And one more thing, why did I write C? Only A correspond to R, B correspond to Q, because AB is proportional to RQ, then BC is proportional to QP, then AC is proportional to PR. So in that order you need take. If you take ABC similar to RQP, then only the corresponding angles will be equal. Understood? You should take in order. We need to vary. See, AB RQ. So it should come in this way. AB RQ. Understood? Next example number 6. In figure OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. Show that angle A is equal to angle C, angle D is equal to angle B. When can I say angle A is equal to angle C, angle D is equal to angle B? Either they should be congruent, either they should be similar. So we can't show, because by looking at the triangle they are not congruent. We need to show them as a similar. So for that we have this data. So let's see. So in triangle AOD and triangle COD, angle AOC, angle AOD is equal to angle OCB. Vertically, see, reason is vertically opposite angles, and it is given that OA into OB is equal to OC into OD, or else it can be written as OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD divided by OB. So look at this. OA divided by OC, OD divided by OB. So it is given. So from 1 and 2, triangle AOD is similar to triangle COD because of SAS similarity criteria. SAS similarity criteria. SAS similarity criteria. See, one angle, see AOD one angle and included side of this angle AOD are proportional to the one angle included side of that particular angle are proportional. That is the reason they are similar to SAS similarity criteria. So what can I write now? So angle A is equal to angle C and angle D is equal to, so therefore what can I write? Angle D is equal to angle B, because angle AOD is similar to angle COD. Please note this down. Now example number 7. A girl of height 90 cm is walking away from the base of the lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter, this is 3.6 meter above the ground level, find the length of the shadow after 4 seconds. The girl is walking at 1.2 meter per second. So from here to say initially the girl was at position B and she is walking away from the lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. So at D, after reaching D, what distance she has covered? 4.8 meter, because speed is equal to distance by time. I need distance, speed into time. What is speed? 1.2 into 4, time is 4 seconds, that is 4.8 meter. And this DD I don't know, I'll call it as X because that is a shadow that I need. Now what can we write from this, and what is the girl ka height? Girl of height 90 centimeter, that is 0.9 meter. She is 0.9 meter. So all the dimensions should be in the same unit, then only we'll be able to get the answer. Okay, now let AB be the height of the lamp and CD be the height of the girl and D be the shadow of the girl, with the shadow of the girl. Next, so if I find D, so we'll get the answer, that is find the length of the shadow. If I am able to find D, what I need to do, and one more thing, angle ABD is equal to angle CD can I write, because lamp is at a perpendicular to the ground, and the girl will stand perpendicular to the ground. That will be equal to 90 degree. Now in triangle ABE and triangle CDE, now angle B is equal to angle D, and angle E is equal to angle E. So which is equal to, this is because they are 90 degree, both the angles are 90 degree, both the angles are 90 degree. This is because lamp and the girl are perpendicular to the ground. Next, so therefore triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. Why? Because of AA angle similarity criteria. If two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. What can I write? AB by CD is equal to BE by DE. So for AB by CD is equal to BE by DE. Fine. What is AB? 4.8 plus x. 4.8 plus x divided by x. 4.8 plus x, this, that is B is nothing but 4.8 plus x, D is nothing but x. Next, B, what is BE? So this is not B, this is B. What is AB? AB is 3.6. What is CD? 0.9. Now 1s are 4s are. See, if I exclude the decimals, 9 1s are 9 4s are. So 4.8 plus x, 1 into 4.8, 4.8, 1 into x is nothing but x, cross multiplication 4x. So 4x is equal to 4.8 into x, or else 4.8 is equal to 4x minus x, or else 3x is equal to 4.8, or else x is equal to 4.8 divided by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 1 ja 3, 3 6. So x is equal to 1.6 meter. X is equal to 1.6. Therefore, see, I'll write, I don't have a space, I'll write, see, therefore, the length of the shadow, say 3 1 ja, 3 16 ja 48. That is, we have one decimal, I placed one decimal point there. So, decimal after, see, there is a decimal after one digit, decimal after one digit. See. Now, therefore, the length of the shadow of the girl is equal to 1.6 meter. That's it. Please note this down.